We would like to thank, first of all, ang mga pare na nag-hold sa masses every day, especially Father Marvin nga naghalin pa sa ano to ka ba niya? Sa layo nga lugar. Sa Perti ka layo nga lugar. Fred Hans, Inday Ki, and staff sa mga adlaw-adlaw may eskrima. So, pasalamat din kami sa amon man na empleyado sa Agreda Group of Companies, sa mga relatives, friends nga naghatag sa mga bulak, mascard, mga food nga gipadala, and all the support kag ang mga relatives nga halin pa sa Iloilo pag sa ibang pang lugar, kapasalamat kami. Ang next is kay Ma'am Maribig Villaruel and staff who made this beautiful place para kay tatay habang ari siya dere. Thank you so much kay ang effort niya, biskan busy siya, nag-take time gid siya nga mag facilitate sa tanan sa nabulig sa amon. Salamat gid Ma'am Maribig. Sa mga iyang sa joggers nga second family ni tatay, pasalamat man kami sa pagpalanggat nyo kay tatay. And sa angels, sa mga angels ni tatay, no? Ang mga angels ni tatay, your effort is very much appreciated. Kay in behalf of us, kamugid nagsakripisyo sa pulaw mong tao para lang alagaan si tatay namon. From the bottom of our heart, madamogin nga salamat sa inyo. Jomar, Ann, Girly, Jenny, Mabel, Jovi, si Mimi. Madamogin nga salamat sa inyo. Madamog man nga salamat kay din palangka nyo gid si tatay namon. And most especially, I want to praise and thank God for giving tatay to us. It's really a blessing, and words cannot express how much we want to thank the Lord for giving us such a wonderful blessing sa amon nga pamilya. Again, to each and everyone who are here, I know palangga nyo kitang tatay ko, kay nakita gid namon sa adlaw-adlaw nga tanan sa kada gabi nga damo tao, which means he's really a hero. He touches your lives, and naghatagid siya sa kaayuhan sa isa kat isa. That's why you are here. And again, thank you, Tay. And we always tell you, I love you. Kag your legacy will always, and memories will always remain in our hearts. Salamat gid sa tanan.
So once again, thank you very much, Miss Ophelia. So to everyone, thank you for joining the Agreda family in celebrating the life of Tatay Cesar Soliman Agreda Sr. So your presence tonight is a testament to the impact he made on all of us. So may his soul rest in peace, and may we carry forward his legacy of love, dedication, and hard work. So let us continue to honor his memory in our hearts and actions. So this time, to sing one of Tatay Cesar's favorite songs, "The My Way," here's Mr. Ryan Gazo, Ryan Patrocinio, and we have Jeff Manila.
My friend, I'll say it to me. days of which I'm certain.
I've lived a life that's full. I traveled it in every highway. Much more than this, I did it my way.
Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exceptions. I planned each shining course, each every step along the byway. Much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times certainly when I thought more than two. I really love when there was doubt. I ended up stay up. I face it all, just to talk and lead my way. I've laughed and cried. I've had my fill, my share of losing. And now as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, nothing is shy way. Oh, no, oh, no, not me. I did it my way. For one is the next, that's the one. Himself, then he has not. This is the things to lead, and not the world to write yes, each one's
God bless you.
Hello. All right, so thank you very much, Mr. Ryan Gazo, Mr. Ryan Patrocinio, and Mr. Jet Manila for such a wonderful tribute song for Tatay Cesar. So this time, let's have an announcement. So tomorrow po at 9 a.m., dadali na po si Tatay Cesar sa ating cathedral. So right, 10 a.m. po yung mass doon. Then afterwards, doon po tayo lahat sa Eternal Garden po. Okay, so once again, 9 a.m. po ang departure from here to the cathedral. 10 a.m. ang ating mass. Then afterwards, doon po tayo sa Eternal Garden. And of course, the family would like to say thank you and express their gratitude to the Knights of Columbus, Coronadal City, for being with us tonight. So maraming salamat po. At the same time, behalf of the family, they would like to say thank you to everyone for coming over. Your presence is a clear manifestation of your love and support for this wonderful Agreda family. And of course, to the organizer, Mr. Ronnie Gazo and Mr. J. Anthony, thank you so much for helping us deliver a wonderful service for this. So once again to everyone, maraming salamat po and goodbye sa atin.
Bata ni Nono.
Oh.